Hello everyone, this is my second video on the topic staffing. In my previous video, I already taught you about staffing meaning or concept, the advantages of staffing and staffing process. And in this video, I will teach you about recruitment and sources of recruitment. So, as I already taught you in a staffing process, what is recruitment? So, recruitment means attracting more and more candidates to apply for vacant job positions in the organization. सो रिक्रूटमेंट एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जो प्रोस्पेक्टिव कैंडिडेट्स को आइडेंटिफाई करता है और उन्हें अट्रैक्ट करता है कि वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करें. सो इन जनरल वर्ड्स recruitment can be say as search for candidates who can perform the vacant roles and inducing them to apply and come forward for filling the vacant roles. See, recruitment is a very important function because the end result of recruitment function is receiving large number of applications to make selection from. See, रिक्रूटमेंट जॉब के लिए लोगों को बुलाता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, अट्रैक्ट करता है नंबर ऑफ़ पीपल्स को कि वो जॉब वैकेंसीज़ के लिए अप्लाई करें, जिसमें से सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस जो है वो कंडक्ट कराया जा सके. ओके, सो in simple words you can say that it is a process of attracting the candidate, informing about the requirement of job and inviting them to apply for it. Now we will quickly move on to our sources of recruitment. So there are two sources of recruitment. First is internal and another one is external recruitment. So what do you mean by internal recruitment? See, internal recruitment means the vacant job positions are filled by inducing the existing employees of the organization. Then it is termed as internal recruitment. अगर किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वेकेंट जॉब पोजीशंस जो हैं एग्जिस्टिंग एम्प्लॉयज़ को लेके ही फिल की जा रही हैं तो उन्हें हम इंटरनल रिक्रूटमेंट कहते हैं. एंड the vacant job positions are filled by using existing employees only and no outsiders are permitted in internal sources. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जो खाली जॉब पोजीशंस हैं वो एग्जिस्टिंग एम्प्लॉयज़ के थ्रू ही फिल की जा रही होती हैं, तब उसे हम इंटरनल रिक्रूटमेंट कहते हैं. सो दिस सोर्स ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट हैव सम मेरिट्स एंड डीमेरिट्स ऑल्सो. Few merits of internal recruitment are that it is economical in nature, it motivates the existing employees also, and less amount is spent on training for the existing employees as they already know what they have to do, and the employees are already familiar with the rules and regulations of the organization, so there is less chance of labor turnover in the organization. See, labor turnover means how many employees are leaving the job or leaving the organization in an year. एक साल में कितने आपके एम्प्लॉयज़ जॉब को या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को छोड़ करके जा रहे होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं लेबर टर्नओवर्स. एंड वी हैव सम मोर एडवांटेजेस ऑफ इंटरनल रिक्रूटमेंट, दैट इज़ by doing internal sorts of recruitment the performance of the employees also get improved as they get promotion, so employees show better performance also, and through transfer employees get training also in the form of job rotation. So these are some of the importance of, or you can say merits of, internal source of recruitment. Beside having advantages, merits, it also have some demerits or disadvantages, which are as, see, by doing internal source of recruitment no fresh or no new ideas will come in the organization as company is hiring employees from their own organization, and By doing so, there will be limited choice also, and this kind of internal source of recruitment is not suitable for new organizations, and it may also reduce the productivity of employee, as they already know what are the rules and regulations of the organization. So we have some type of internal source of recruitment. Well, there are so many methods of recruiting, but the main methods of internal recruitment I have mentioned here, and I will slowly teach you each and every method of internal recruitment. So first is transfer. See, transfer simply means shifting of employees from one job position to other at the same level of authority. ट्रांसफ़र का मतलब होता है एम्प्लॉयज़ को शिफ्ट करना एक जॉब पोजीशन से दूसरी जॉब पोजीशन पे, बट द लेवल ऑफ अथॉरिटी विल बी सेम. See what happens generally with the transfer, there is no change in the compensation level and the authority level, and there is no change even in his rank, responsibilities and prestige. You can say that only the place of working is changed in transfers. For example, transfer of clerk from accounts department to purchase department. So यहाँ पे खाली ट्रांसफ़र हो रहा है क्लर्क का अकाउंट्स डिपार्टमेंट से परचेज डिपार्टमेंट में, सेम लेवल ऑफ अथॉरिटी है, और देयर इज़ नो चेंज इवन इन हिज रैंक, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एंड प्रेस्टीज. नाउ वी हैव अनदर इंटरनल मेथड ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट, दैट इज़ प्रमोशन. So promotion refers to shifting of employees from one job position to other with higher level of authority. सी प्रमोशन में एम्प्लॉयज़ की शिफ्टिंग होती है वन जॉब पोजीशन से दूसरी जॉब पोजीशन में, बट विद अ हायर लेवल ऑफ अथॉरिटी. सो यहाँ पे आपकी अथॉरिटी का लेवल जो है वो बढ़ जाता है. सिंपली इन प्रमोशन द अथॉरिटी लेवल, द रैंक, द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ एंड प्रेस्टीज improve or increase. And generally with the promotions there is increase in compensation or salary also. For example, promotion of clerk to accountant post. So in promotion the authority level is also become high by the promotion of clerk to the accountant post. Now we have another method of internal methods of recruitment, that is job posting, and in this method it will highlight the people by publishing the vacancies within the organization on the bulletin boards or the websites of the company. जॉब पोस्टिंग मेथड में पीपल को हाईलाइट करते हैं और ये बताते हैं कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या क्या वैकेंसीज़ हैं, और ये वैकेंसीज़ जो हैं वो पब्लिश की जाती हैं बुलेटिन बोर्ड्स पे या कंपनी की वेबसाइट्स पे. सो बेसिकली व्हाट हैपन इन दिस मेथड अलाउज द इंटरनल पीपल टू गेन द अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड अप्लाई not within one unit only but also in all the units of the company, whatever is spread all over the world. And the advantage of this method is that it provides the chance to the qualified employees for the growth opportunity within the organization, and it will not instead looking outside. Means existing employees don't have to go for other outside companies, and they have growth opportunities within the organization. Now we have another internal methods of recruitment, that is employee referrals, or you can say that employee reference. In this method, where existing employees can refer to his friends or their relatives to apply for the job and make recommendations to the company. इस इंटरनल मेथड ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट में जो हमारे एग्जिस्टिंग एम्प्लॉयज़ होते हैं वो रिकमेंड करते हैं कंपनी को अबाउट देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. So what happened basically in this source of internal recruitment, the existing employees of the organization become a good source as they recommend the people who are outside the organization and can be suitable for the job. यहाँ पे जो एग्जिस्टिंग एम्प्लॉयज़ होते हैं वो अपने फ्रेंड्स या रिलेटिव्स को ये रेफ़र करते हैं कि वो उनकी कंपनी में जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करें, और कंपनी को भी ये रिकमेंड करते हैं कि उन पर्टिकुलर एम्प्लॉयज़ को हायर किया जाए. एंड बेसिकली nowadays organization are encouraging the employee reference as they considered that the prospective candidate is a known one to the organization. आजकल कंपनी जो है वो इस मेथड को इसलिए भी प्रेफर करती है क्योंकि उनको ऐसा लगता है कि जो भी प्रोस्पेक्टिव कैंडिडेट है वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नोन है, whether they are in the form of friends or relatives of the existing employees. Now we will quickly move on to another source of recruitment, that is external recruitment. See, external recruitment, it is the recruitment where the candidates from outside the organization are invited to fill the vacant job positions. एक्सटर्नल सोर्स ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट में कैंडिडेट्स जो हैं वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बाहर से इनवाइट किए जाते हैं वेकेंट जॉब पोजीशंस को फिल करने के लिए. सो व्हाट हैपन्स बेसिकली व्हेन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मीट इट्स मैन पावर रिक्वायरमेंट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एक्सटर्नल रिक्रूटमेंट. सी, whenever large number of job positions are vacant, then external recruitment is preferred. जब large number of vacant job positions होती हैं तो कंपनी और या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन external recruitment ही prefer करता है. And we have some merits and demerits of external recruitment also. So few merits of external recruitment are that there is a with external recruitment, fresh and new talents come to the organization, and with external recruitment, the organization gets wider choice also. And by using external recruitment, the management can get qualified and trained persons also. And if they use campus method, or if they use campus placement method of external recruitment, then they can get employees with latest technological knowledge also. And through external recruitment, when outsiders join the organization, this develops a competitive spirit in existing employees of the organization, so they do their work with more enthusiasm and zeal. Now we have some demerits of external recruitment also. That what are the demerits of external recruitment? You can simply write down that the morale of existing employees goes down or it falls, and the new employees may also not adjust in the rules and regulations of the organization, which means more chances of turnover there. As I already told you, लेबर टर्नओवर हो सकता है. लेबर टर्नओवर इसलिए होता है क्योंकि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को कभी कभी नए एम्प्लॉयज़ उसमें एडजस्ट नहीं हो पाते हैं. एंड external recruitment is bit expensive also because it requires a long process. You have to invite the outsiders to apply for the job, and company have to bear heavy burden of advertising also. As I already told you, it is a lengthy process, so external recruitment takes long time. Now we have some methods of external recruitment. Well, there are so many methods, but the main methods I mentioned you here. So first is direct recruitment. So in this method of recruitment, the organization pastes notice at the gate of their office or factory or workshop stating the vacant job position. Is एक्सटर्नल मेथड ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है वो ऑफिस गेट पे या फैक्ट्री गेट पे या वर्कशॉप गेट पे एक नोटिस लगा देती है जिसमें वो वेकेंट जॉब पोजीशंस के बारे में लिखती है. एंड विद दिस द पीपल हु आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द जॉब्स वॉक इन फॉर द इंटरव्यू. एंड this is the method of external recruitment which is most suitable for unskilled job positions such as sweeper, peon, machine operator, etc. So basically इस डायरेक्ट रिक्रूटमेंट में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है वो ऑफिस गेट पे या फैक्ट्री गेट पे या वर्कशॉप गेट पे एक नोटिस लगाती है जिसमें वेकेंट जॉब पोजीशंस के बारे में वो वर्कर्स को बताती है. Now we have another method of external recruitment, that is casual callers, and they are also known as unsolicited applications. Casual callers को unsolicited applicants या applications भी बोलते हैं. So these are job seekers who come to the well-renowned organization casually and either mail or drop in their job applications seeking the job opportunities. कैजुअल कॉलर्स बेसिकली जॉब सीकर्स होते हैं जो वेल रिनोन्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में या तो मेल करते हैं अपनी सीवी या वहाँ पे खुद आकर अपनी सीवी ड्रॉप करते हैं और जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के बारे में पता करते हैं. सो बेसिकली लार्ज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस maintain an application file in which they keep all the pending applications which the job seekers leave with the reception, and sometimes applications of suitable candidates who were not selected in previous year's selection process are also kept in application file, and this application file is considered as a waiting list, and whenever there is a job vacancy the suitable candidates from the waiting list are called. Now we have another method of external recruitment, that is media advertising, and this is the most common and popular method of external recruitment for about the vacant job position. So the organization select the media of advertisement keeping in mind the requirement of the job position. So simply इस मेथड में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है वो एडवर्टीज़मेंट का मीडिया प्रेफर करती है जब उसको वेकेंट जॉब पोजीशंस की को फिल करना होता है. दे कैन एडवर्टाइज द वेकेंट जॉब अबाउट वेकेंट जॉब पोजीशंस इन जर्नल, इन न्यूज़पेपर्स, इन मैगजीन्स, इन एनीवेयर, और यू कैन से इन लोकल और रीजनल न्यूज़पेपर. एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल, for the job of an accountant, the advertisement can be given in Chartered Accountant Journal, and for unskilled and lower rank of job positions, the advertisement can be given in local or regional newspaper. But for high rank and skilled job positions, the advertisement is given in national level reputed newspapers such as Times of India, Hindustan Times, and there are more newspapers. So we have another method of external recruitment, that is campus recruitment. So let's see what is campus recruitment. The companies send their traveling recruiter to various education institutions to select talented candidates. यहाँ पे कंपनीज जो हैं अपने ट्रैवलिंग रिक्रूटर या आप कह सकते हैं सीनियर मैनेजर्स को अलग अलग एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस में भेजती हैं जहाँ पे वो टैलेंटेड कैंडिडेट्स को सेलेक्ट करते हैं. एंड एज वी ऑल नो डैट दिस टाइप ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट इज़ मोर कॉमन फॉर इंजीनियर्स, कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामर्स, MBAs, etc. So by visiting various professional colleges, technical institutes, managers can get fresh graduates or the people with the latest technological know-how, and basically the organization prefer fresh graduates because they can be molded according to the requirement of the organization immediately. Now we have another method of external recruitment, that is labor contractor. See, contractors maintain close relationship with laborers and they can provide the required number of unskilled workers at the short notice. कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का रिलेशनशिप होता है यहाँ पे लेबर्स के साथ, जिसकी वजह से अनस्किल्ड वर्कर्स को शॉर्ट नोटिस पर भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में प्रेजेंट किया जा सकता है. कॉन्ट्रैक्टर और लेबर एक दूसरे के साथ कांटेक्ट में रहते हैं और जब भी किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वेकेंट जॉब पोजीशंस की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है तो अनस्किल्ड वर्कर्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्टर प्रोवाइड करते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को. एंड सी व्हाट हैपन, द जॉबर्स और यू कैन से लेबर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स आर द पीपल हु कीप इन टच विद द लेबर in villages and rural areas, and wherever there is a vacancy or requirement for labor in factory or in the construction site, they bring the labor from villages and supply to businessman, and for this they charge some commission from the organization. And we have another method of external recruitment, that is web publishing. This is very common nowadays, as you have seen so many advertisements relating to this. So let's see what is web publishing. In internet there are certain websites specifically designed provide information regarding job seekers and companies which have vacant job positions. इंटरनेट पे आजकल बहुत ढेर सारी वेबसाइट्स होती हैं जो इस तरीके से डिज़ाइन की गई होती हैं जिसमें जॉब सीकर्स और कंपनीज जिनके पास वेकेंट जॉब पोजीशंस हैं उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है. एंड दीज वेबसाइट्स कैन बी विजिटेड बाय बोथ जॉब सीकर्स एज वेल एज कंपनीज. We have so many examples of websites such as naukri.com, monsterdog.com, linkedin.com and etc. This is very common nowadays because you will go to these sites and you will fill your requirements about, and you will get the messages of what are the vacant job positions in different organizations. Now we have another method of external recruitment, that is factory gate. So in this method, sometimes number of job seekers inquire at the factory gate about the vacant job positions in the workshop or in the factory. So factory gate में job seekers जो होते हैं वो factory gate पे inquire करते हैं vacant job positions के लिए जो भी factory या workshop में हों. So बहुत से ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनको जॉब की ज़रूरत होती है, वो फैक्ट्री गेट पे ही इंक्वायरी करते हैं कि क्या कोई फैक्ट्री में या वर्कशॉप में वैकेंसी है जॉब पोजीशंस को लेकर के. एंड दिस बेसिकली इज़ सुइटेबल फॉर अनस्किल्ड जॉब पोजीशंस. जो भी अनस्किल्ड जॉब पोजीशंस होती हैं सच एज स्वीपर, प्यून, मशीन ऑपरेटर, उनके लिए ये बेस्ट वे होता है. एंड इफ़ देयर इज़ सीवियर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, many job seekers assemble at the factory gate to offer their services in the factory. So I am stopping this video and you can read many other sources of many other methods of internal and external recruitment from book or from Google. And if you feel any doubt regarding this topic, please contact me. Thank you.